Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm the author of many books on how to draw, and I have a fun one for you today. A simple animal that, well, you won't find many of them in how to draws, but they're popular. Ferrets, and they're cute. So let's try this one. We're going to exaggerate, of course. It's a cartoon. We're going to start with this this kind of squashed oval. And just don't you worry about making it messy. You don't get any points for making it neat when you start to draw. You can clean it up later. So the neck starts like this and kind of goes right away into the shoulders. Not much distinction. That's kind of a cute look for the ferret. Now let's make him, he's facing just forward, so we'll make him symmetrical. And the eye line here, this is the center line, bisects it into two even parts. So you can just keep track of what you're doing. And this eye line is low on the face because he's cute. Cute characters have lower eyes. They just do. That's the convention, and it works, and it's fun. All right, so now let's start by placing everything, getting the placement first. Bridge of the nose, and sort of like a sort of squarish triangular nose. You can make it any shape you want. And I'm going to use a marker when I'm finished. So let's put the eyes right here. Just big dots. We don't need to actually make complicated eyes for this guy. He's going to have the very ferret-ish look to him. And the eye type you choose is often based on the personality of the character, rather than physically what it actually looks like, at least in cartooning. So nice high eyes. You know, they're very lively characters. So you want those eyebrows up high. What does that show? Energy, which he's got to have. He's got something called a split lip, like many animals have. So here are the cheeks, cheek creases, and we go down here like this, and then up to the nose. There you go. See that happening there? This is the split lip, because right here kind of splits this way and that way. A lot of animals have that. Horses do not. Sometimes people think they do, they don't. Okay, here's the chin, like so. Now, let's give him a little bit more padding over here. A little more padding, like that. Yeah, that's good. And we'll erase the inside here. I'm going to give him a little bit lower chin. And I'll want his mouth to touch. Yeah. So he's a little happier. Like that, a little more expressive. Now he's got kind of squarish ears, which is good. It gives him structure. Like that. And I will also bring it in just a touch here. You see that? Now giving him a little contour. So instead of just round, comes in a little bit and out a little bit. It makes it more interesting. We'll also give him a little bit of fur this way. We're almost ready to finish it up. He's a fun guy, isn't he? Okie doke. Let's go. Let's give it a try. Here we go. Keep it nice and simple. Don't get too fancy with things that aren't fancy. How's that for obvious? But it's true. I have to think about that too. I want to do a little of this, a little of that. No. Just finish it. You know, the rough stage, which we just did, that's the stage for experimenting with everything. But when you're going to finish something, you know, I mean, sometimes you can, but it's really not the stage to try new stuff. That should always be done in the rough. And these are just general guidelines I'm giving you. You can do anything you want. It's not like someone's going to come over to your house and give you a ticket. Hey, you fixed up the finished version. Not going to happen. Okay? Get up to the middle, down. And just a little bit, a peak of a mouth, open mouth like that. Yeah, so he's fun. And a bit of a chin. Bridge of the nose really centers and brings the two eyes together. A little bit of and long eyebrows. All right, in here and out here, all the way down. In here, out here, all the way down and in. Now here are those kind of squarish ears, like this. Same thing on the other side. doesn't have to be exactly the same. If one ear is poking this way because it's listening, it'll be a different shape. But if they're not doing something different, then generally they'll be the same shape. Okay, let's finish the top with a little bit of scruffy hair. He has not been to the Ferret salon lately. All right, and then this way here, like so. Bup, 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 bup. Little difference in texture all through the character. And I may just darken this a little bit more, like so. And I can give him a couple of whiskers if you like. And there is your cartoon ferret. And by the way, not to forget, this is my new book, How to Be Super Creative. If you ever thought, where do you get your ideas? How do you come up with ideas? This will tell you how to do it in detail, and it's fun, so I hope you'll check it out. All right now, thank you so much. I really appreciate you joining me today, and I hope you do next time. Take care. Bye-bye.